everyone! My name is Jane, or Jack. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. Sharing with you our first time in Iloilo vlog from the archives. This is just one of my late edits and super late uploads, but I still wanna post for memories, you know. September 2022, when everything is slowly going back to places like the new normal, as we call it, we flew to Iloilo. By the way, we were coming from Albay, Bicol. Back then, you have to take 2 flights, either fly from Bicol to Manila or Bicol to Cebu, then take another flight to Iloilo. But now, direct flights from Bicol to Iloilo is available, so mas tipid na sa pamasahe. Actually, we flew from Bicol International Airport to Manila, then Manila to Rojas City instead of Iloilo City, since our first day was Gigantes Island Tour in Carles, Iloilo. Mas maikli ng 1 oras yung travel time from Rojas City to Carles, Iloilo compared to Iloilo City to Carles. From Rojas City Airport, nilakad na lang namin papunta sa SM City Rojas, kung saan may modern jeep papunta sa van terminal na papunta naman ng Carles. We booked this Airbnb for a night, just few minutes away from Bangkal Port, kung saan yung meet-up place for the Gigantes Island Tour.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up.
Guys, about mga 5 minutes or 4:30 na sa akong beach na tayo. So ngayon, diretso tayo ng dating ma'am sir ha?
This is a joiner's tour, so madami kami sa bangka. And buti na lang, okay din yung panahon ng pagpunta namin.
Patingin! Patingin!
Lunchtime, umulan, yung malalakas ang loob, ay talaga namang tinuloy ang tour. Mapuntahan lang yung iba pang islands. Syempre, kasama na kami doon. Wala akong masyadong videos at the time since maulan or umaambon and mababasa rin ng tubig dagat yung phone namin. But you might check these photos.
Buti natasama yung panahon.
Yung mga nakakaraw, talaga na.
After the tour, balik port na kami and sumakay na kami ng bus going to Iloilo City. We checked into an Airbnb, then went to Festive Walk to meet a college friend na dito na sa Iloilo nakatira. Our last day, we went to Garin Farm and Walla Mansion.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue.
We also dropped by Iloilo Museum. We looked for the famous bok choy, pero yung Roberto Siopaw, hindi na namin nahanap. We grabbed some pasalubong from this store, then went back to our Airbnb to rest. Madami pa kaming na-miss na spots sa Iloilo. And with that, definitely, we will be back.